Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been posting videos on the concept of improving spoken English. If you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In this video, we are going to explore how we can incorporate listening activities into our daily routine to learn English. But before we get into the topic, I have a question. What is the relationship between listening and speaking a language? Does the habit of listening really help us in speaking English? To answer this question, you need to understand the role of our brain in learning a language. We have two types of mind, we all know, the conscious and the subconscious. You might already be aware of this, but do you know the role of each? Let me explain this in detail. One of the best examples of conscious mind is active learning. For instance, if you make a conscious effort and pay attention to learn something, that's called conscious learning. We can take English learning as an example. If we want to learn English, what would we do? We must be learning grammar rules, vocabularies, phrases, and idioms, right? These all comes under conscious learning because we are deliberately involved in the process. However, the subconscious mind works in a completely different way. We can call this implicit learning, which means learning something without making an effort. To make it more clearer, let's take an example of learning songs. Have you ever made any conscious effort to memorize the lines while you are listening the songs? Probably not. But how come we are all able to sing the whole song after hearing it a couple of times? Here the subconscious mind takes over. It patiently hears the lines and enables us to register them. Going to use the same concept for English learning. If you hear something often, your mind will automatically start to absorb it. So start your English learning journey with listening. Begin with simple cartoon videos, podcasts, and your favorite celebrities' interviews. At first, you won't understand everything, but gradually you will. The only thing you have to do is when you come across a new word while listening to something, note it down and find out its meaning. After a couple of weeks, you will see the better results in your listening skills. And probably you can understand many more words than before. Gradually, you can start to use all those words in your English conversation. So, if you are a person who wants to start the journey of learning any language, especially English, simply start with listening. You might find it difficult for a couple of weeks, but it will bring tremendous changes to your language skill. I hope that